let's start working on the hair first. Now you want to get the feeling that the hair is shiny, glossy, you get the idea of the light shining on it. So when you're shading, start with the top here and put a bit of weight on your pencil as you follow the lines of the curls on the way down. But as you come to this part of the head here, you have to remember that the head is rounded. So if the light is striking that part of the head, it's going to catch this bit here. So leave that bit a bit lighter, and then as you come back down to the bottom of the curl, put more weight on your pencil. So you get a highlight running across this part here. Okay, so more light coming in there. And as you come down, leave that bit and put a bit more weight at the bottom. And you get a sense of the highlights on the hair. Like that, okay? I'm going to carry on along here. You see dark at the bottom, you get a light part, heavier at the top. You get the parting here. Okay, so I'll continue with that and I'll catch you when I've done it. Okay, I'm just finishing off the same as curls. It's at the bottom here. I can go for some of this later on. Take down some of these dark areas, leave some more light, like that. But generally that's the idea of the hairstyle. Okay, let's move on to the eyebrows now. Now, as I said, pull down here, but a bit kind of sparse to begin with, and then follow the line of the hair of the eyebrows with your pencil up to the edge like that, and then back down. Okay. And then this one, a bit sparser there. Follow the line up, the corner of the forehead, and then around that corner like that. Okay, excellent. And now the actual glasses themselves, the frames, they'll be quite shiny, and we catch the light about here probably, and here. So what I'm going to do is just going to carefully outline it with a heavy line. But whenever you want your shading to be dark, just put weight in your pencil. This is a 4B, 4-5B, that's fine for this kind of work. So we'll draw around there and then start to shade up, leaving the highlight, like that, okay? So I'll continue to do that and I'll catch up with you when I'm finished. Okay, I'm just finishing off the shading of the glasses now, and I've actually made them a bit more round at the top, a bit more curved, slightly thinner there. Just filling in the black, leaving a little bit of highlight there, and there's two little white studs there you can shade around too. And you get the actual legs of the glasses disappearing into the hair there and on the side. Okay, so let's move on to the eyes now. They're quite expressive eyes, wide open, nice big curve there, like that. And kind of heavy shading around the top there for the eyelashes, another bit of line coming in here for the eyelid itself, okay? And then, as I said, a slightly flatter curve for the bottom of the eye. Leave a little space, now you put a line of eyelashes along the bottom there, just a little touch, and a bit of shading under the eye. Okay, and then the actual pupil itself comes in here, and I said touching that line there. Need a nice gap up there, a nice highlight, and then the centre of the iris there, very dark, and then the rest of it, take the weight off your pencil and shade it to kind of middle tone. See that? Great, and I'm going to do that one exactly the same. Alright, I'm just finishing off this other eye now. Again, lots of nice dark lines above the top here. And of course, the light shining on the hair will also cause a shadow under the glasses here, under the frames. So what you'll get is a shadow of this part of the frame curving around over the top of his eye, like that. And outside around his jaw here, carving just underneath the frame at the bottom. And that kind of shape there, okay? And on this one, it'll appear just about there, and appear carving round the top of his eyelid there, and coming out here, the leg will have a shadow there, and then you get the bottom part of the frame shadowing onto the cheek there, like that. Okay, so let's move down to the nose now. Get these couple of lines in here, and when you draw the front of the nose, that kind of slightly bulging shape there, don't shade all the way down to the bottom of the line of the nose there. Leave a little bit of white paper, and that's reflected light from his lip. All right, like that. And as I said, the bottom of his nose fairly flat, straight across like that, and the side of his nostrils coming up, and then kind of light lines coming down from his nose as he smiles. Okay, let's move down to the mouth now. Remember, it's slightly tilted to one side, so you get that characteristic weird cheeky grin of his. You get the top lip coming up, not too much of a bend there, and then down, as I make sure there's an angle. And then he has that bit of shading there, his muscle onto his top lip, and also there coming up to connect to that line there. Okay, and then his bottom lip coming down fairly straight and a curve, and then straight across and back up quite quickly there. And it's fairly broad along the top on each side here, like that. Okay, quite a full bottom lip. And there's a sort of line that also appears along the bottom like that. And then quite a bit of dark shading under the bottom lip. Put weight on your pencil. A nice bit of shading there. Okay, so let's get those teeth in now. Start with the eye tooth. Coming up, you see a bit of the gum there. And this tooth here. And the main front one. They're quite long actually. And give them that slightly goofy look, you know. And that's at an angle. And then that's slightly shorter. Come up to there, okay? And then the bottom teeth, as they form that kind of curve there. Again, quite long. You'll see a bit of the gum shapes coming in beneath them there. Slightly uneven. Okay, so what we do now is we shade in this dark area here. Let's get up around the bottom of these shapes and the teeth like that, and shade in right across. Like that. Okay, and a little bit of shading in here. Okay, and then we have the lines on the side of his chin here. There's one just here in between the lip and this main crease which curves in and out again down to the bottom of his chin. There, and that curves up. Another line coming in there. Okay, now a bit of dark shading in there, and down to his collar, to there, the centre part is a stud, and then the velvet jacket, which is quite dark on this side actually. Take this out of the edges now. So we can do a bit of sketchy shading here, you know, quite quick. Give that impressionistic look. Quick lines down there. Like that, and he gets kind of folds on his velvet jacket. And the top bit's catching the light. Like that. Okay, I've had a look and made a few adjustments just to bring out the character of Austin Powers. You know, I just altered them very slightly. This gap here, made this a bit more round, okay? And I've shaded down this part here, taken it back. I've put a bit more shading in here, you know, just a bit of heavy shading. That accentuates the shape of his head there. Okay, up here too. Added a bit more hair at the top, like that. But yeah, I think you get a good impression of the character of Austin Powers from the sketch. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed that, and I hope you enjoy me again for another tutorial. But in the meantime, of course, all the best and happy drawing.